All right, what's going on, guys? T Torres back here for another video. This is a video that everybody's been waiting for. This is the big video. It's the vinyl wrap reveal. It has been the hardest thing for me not to put anything on social media about my car, you know, post something on Instagram, Facebook, Snapchat, anything like that. But before we get started with today's video, I want to give a huge shout out to Premium Auto Styling for designing my wrap. And then second, I want to give a huge shout out to Showtime Graphics for making this this visual, this dream of mine come true. They wrapped my car. Big, huge shout out to them. And if you're, you know, stopping into the channel for the first time, do me a favor, hit that subscribe button, turn on your post notifications so you don't miss another awesome video. And once again, thank you guys for all your support. All right, guys, so we are now heading downtown to our first location to take photos in where we're going to initially reveal the car at. I don't know if y'all can tell, but I'm a little nervous because I want this reveal to be nice, big, clean, crisp. And like I mentioned, big shout out to Showtime Graphics for making this happen for me, and all my other sponsors like Box Wheels, PRL Motorsports, K-Tuner, Aeroflow Dynamics. Big shout out to all you guys making this happen. And then all my supporters on, you know, Instagram, Facebook, Snapchat, and most of all my YouTube community that supports me. You know, I wouldn't have been able to do this wrap if it weren't for you guys. And yeah, so literally every dollar that I make off of YouTube goes back into this car to make content for you guys. And hopefully content never runs dry. You know, I try my best to do more content, and everyone tells me I should do a vlog of my life and stuff like that, and I'm transitioning to get to that way. It's just I've just been super busy lately, and yeah, finally graduated my course, picked my car up on Friday, and I was nothing but, I was smiling ear to ear. I was just so happy. I was like, I can't believe that's my car. And yeah, I'm still stoked. Like I mentioned before, it came out better than what I thought. And even the rapper, the vinyl wrapper guy, he was like, man, I'll be honest with you, I didn't think it was gonna come out this good, and he fell in love with it. And yeah, great freaking car. About to get on the highway, so hope everybody out there is having a great day. And make sure, if you're stopping into the channel for the first time today, you know, to see my vinyl wrap, make sure you subscribe to my channel and turn on your post notifications. I'll catch back up with you guys when we get to the parking garage. Peace. Just got to the first spot. Man, I'm super excited to show this to you guys. I know I've been hyping it up for a while, but it's finally happening. Couldn't have been a better day. I was actually supposed to film yesterday, but it started freaking raining, so, but we're here now, we're making it happen. Let's see if we can get some pops in the parking garage. Let's go! I think this is the first time my car's been in the parking garage. Sounds pretty good. Man, that sounds freaking good. All right, we're to the first spot. Give me a thumbs up when it's live. All right, guys, so as you just seen in that last clip, this is my vinyl wrap done from Premium Auto Styling. I want to give a big huge shout out to them. They designed this for me. I contacted Chris and I was like, hey, I want my wrap to be inspired, but my wrap was inspired by Dustin Williams' Evo wrap, and then this is what they came up with. All right, so like I mentioned, this wrap was it was designed by Premium Auto Styling, and I wanted something after Dustin Williams' Evo. And I went to my local vinyl shop guy, and he was like, you know, give me something that you want, and I showed him this, and he made it happen. He did it within 3 days, and the red that you're seeing now is kind of has an orangish red tint to it. This is Dragonfire red. It's got some gloss into it, and then we went with the black. So I'm really happy the way that this entire wrap came out. It looks like a totally different car. And they just did a phenomenal job. So now that I'm done talking, I'm gonna give you guys a little walk around of the car. All right, so one of my favorite pieces pieces about this vinyl wrap. Oh, and before I you know, say anything else, it's a little windy up here on the top of this parking garage, so excuse the wind. But like I said, one of my favorite parts of this vinyl wrap is how they accented the front of this car. You know, we have the red front bumper, then we have the black accent right here, and then it just really makes the red H pop. And we have the actual PRL logo, and then if you come up here, we got the hood accented. So not the entire hood is red, but as you can see, they ran the black accent up from here, up into this pillar, then it stops, then it goes red again. But then we blacked out the mirrors, we blacked out the roof. And one of the struggles that I really had to take a liking to, I wasn't really sold on this part of the car, but it actually looks better than what I thought. When I first pulled up to the shop to look at my car and I saw these accents, I was like, man, that looks better than what it looks like in the photo. So they added this, this, and this, then they blacked out this, and they blacked out the door handles. My second favorite part would have to be the trunk and how they came out here with the black accent back here. So as you can see, they actually removed the spoiler, wrapped this black, wrapped the portion of the trunk, and then they did half of the trunk black and the rest red. And then they also did a black accent piece right here to go along with the body line. So they did an amazing job with that. And then, you know, it's the same thing on this side. So I just really think the next step we're gonna go with this car is we gotta get this car lowered. There's too much gap right here, that's ugly. And then I'm gonna get some more tire stickers put back on here. And yeah, so that's the wrap. I'm gonna take you guys on one more walk around. Like I said, excuse the wind. But yeah, they did a killer job. Showtime Graphics did a really freaking good job on this. And of course, you know, it's impossible to wrap all the door seals, so I'll show you. So yeah, the car is still white right here and then under the hood, but that's to be expected. But yeah, it completely changes the entire look of the car. And then there, once again, that is my favorite part of this entire car, is how they transformed the front of the car. So I hope everybody's pleased with it. I know I sent a picture out on my Instagram story on accident and people said it's red. So yeah, it's red, but only partially red. And then one last time, my second favorite part is the bumper of this car. All right, once again, before I end this video, I want to give a big shout out to my friend coming out today, helping me film, because I couldn't do this without him. And second of all, big shout out to all my sponsors: PRL Motorsports, Aeroflow Dynamics, K-Tuner. I'm sure there's a lot I'm missing. People who they gave me LED headlights. I just want to thank everybody, and most of all, I want to thank my subscribers for supporting me, because without you guys, I wouldn't be able to make this happen. So if you're stopping into the channel for the first time, please hit that subscribe button, turn on your post notifications, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace. Alright guys, so hopefully you guys enjoyed that video. Now what I'm going to talk about is kind of a little bit of the future of the car. So as you guys remember, I used to have tire stickers on here, but I curved my passenger side wheel, and I'm going to reorder some tire stickers, and excuse me, I got to put on my aero. I just got to find time to do it, and it's kind of a two-person job because I kind of need somebody to hold it up as I secure it and then as I go along. So, and then I got my front splitter I need to do. I don't know what it's going to be like to take my bumper off now that my car is vinyl wrapped, so I'm going to have to be super careful about that whenever I install the actual front splitter. And if anybody has installed the iBot front and rear sway bars for the 10th Gen Civic, please message me and let me know, you know, was it worth it? How hard was the install? Stuff like that. And one other thing, if you've installed the flex fuel on the 10th Gen Civic, how was the install? You know, was it worth it? ETC, etc. Just let me know. That was just one thing that I was wondering about that. But don't worry, the wheel gap is going to get out of here. Just waiting on certain things to line up before we can actually make it happen. But anyways, this was just a little rant. I do have a lot of things still coming for this car, and like I mentioned in the previous video, I do have a Type R steering wheel. I want to get the Mishimoto catch can, so if anybody has the Mishimoto catch can installed in their car, you know, how was the install? Is there really a benefit to it? You know, blase, please let me know. Thanks for listening to my rant. Peace.
Okay, it's rap pack to my pulse flat. We keep it real, no false rap. I got 4 cars and they all black. Got 4 bras and they all that. We call